If you can get a plot plan from a customer, you can quickly trace the plot plan and begin designing in a matter of minutes. To begin tracing a plot plan, create a new drawing. For this example, I'll use an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper at a 1 to 20 each scale from the template file. Go to File, Show Startup Screen, and select the template here in the template list. You can begin the Insert Image command from the Draw menu, or by clicking on the toolbar icon. In the Image Insertion dialog box, click on the Select Image button and find the location on your computer where the file is saved. The files and folders on your computer will be different from this example. You can insert JPEG, PNG, BMP, and TIFF image files. You cannot insert a PDF file into Pro Contractor Studio. To insert a PDF drawing, you'd have to find a way to change it to one of the supported file types. Some suggested ways of doing this are printing the PDF, scanning it, and saving it as one of the supported types, or finding a PDF to image converter tool online. There are many different free and paid PDF conversion software options. Click Open when you've found the desired image file you'd like to trace. You'll see an image preview appear in the Image Preview box. Select Background Image from the Image Type drop-down menu. Change the rotation if needed. Change the opacity settings by pressing the up and down arrows, sliding the scroll bar, or typing a value into the opacity text box. The opacity settings change how dark and/or visible the lines of the image are on the design screen. A lighter opacity setting can be helpful when tracing or drawing on top of an image. Click on the Insert Image button to insert the image onto the design screen. Drag the image to the desired location and click one time with the left mouse button to place the image onto the paper. Immediately, a prompt will open asking if you'd like to scale the image. In the majority of cases, the answer will be yes. The paper has been set to a 1 to 20 inch scale for this example, so the inserted image will need to match this scale. Click on the Yes button to begin scaling the image. Measure the distance between 2 points you know the measurement for on the drawing, and enter the value for how long the distance should be in the Background Image Units dialog box. The image will shrink or grow as it scales. The inserted image will appear on a new background image layer in the Layer Manager and cannot be selected or changed. It's now time to start tracing the image. You can roll the scroll button on the mouse, or press and hold down the scroll button to move or pan the image around on the design screen. For this example, I'll begin tracing by switching to the Buildings line style in the Layer Manager. Then I'll enact the Line command from the toolbar icon, and begin placing points on the drawing by clicking one time with the left mouse button to insert a line. Press the Enter key to end the line segment. By making use of the Point Polar command, you can quickly trace over virtually any image. You can switch between building, property, bed lines, and hardscape line styles in the Layer Manager, and then trace the image accordingly.